Hi there, this is going to be an ads likes campaign. I'm over here at one of my pages and I'm going to create an ad. So a likes ad. So one of the ways you have to have an ad page in order to sell product. So you go over here to new tab, you go to ads manager, Facebook business, Facebook business. Go over here to create an ad. This blue button here, create an ad. You will have an ads manager if you have a page, which of course you do. So we're going to come over here. You need to have a likes ad you need to have likes on your page so you can have an audience to sell to. Facebook needs to know who you want to target with other ads. So that's why you build a likes campaign. Your likes, the people that like your page should be your ideal audience. So we're going to go over here to engagement and we're going to do page likes. Continue. So I'm going to go to Modern Money Mamas, which I am managing doing my most work on. You can choose people who live in this location. People recently in this vacation, like did they visit there? But where they live. So you probably, just a likes campaign, you want people that are where you want to sell your product. So say you want to go to Canada and Canada country. I sell only to English speakers. So I go to Australia country, and New Zealand country. That's where I'm going to send this likes ad. So it shows me where my ads are going to go. So you can see that I have 130 million people if I just target those people. So that's really too many people to have a likes ad for. It's just too broad. So now we're going to narrow your audience a little bit more. So people 45 and above are my target audience. I don't know who yours is. 45 to 65 plus. I market only to women and I market to people who speak English. You might want to target to both men and women, so you would do all, or maybe your product is mainly for men. So you can choose. So I target women. So now I've gone down to 32 million people to target to. Maybe their interests are Joel Osteen. So you want people that are interested in Joel Osteen. And then John Hagee. And maybe you want John Hagee Ministries as well. Hagee Ministries. Another person who really supports Israel is Benny Hinn. Benny Hinn. Another one is, let me think of his name. I can't think of his name. If I think of it, I'll remember it. I'll let you know. So you have potential reach of 33 million people. And so maybe now we want to go to art. So we have art, martial arts, wait a minute. Art, martial arts, visual arts, performing arts, art history, art museum, contemporary arts, work of art, culinary, modern, fine, arts and music, artists. Let's do more art since that's what these are things that people are interested in. You don't want to market to people that are interested in cattle if you're going to be selling to people that just want art. But you could, if you knew that the people you're marketing to really were interested in that they had a specific affinity. So we're going to do art, modern art, fine art. Probably modern art would work. So we're up at 35 million people. That's pretty good. So it's green. As long as it's in the green, that's a very good size to. It's probably too many. You could narrow it a little bit easier. Maybe you want it. Let's go up here to location again. Let's see what this would do. You're from New Jersey, so maybe we could do. You have gotten down to 920,000 people in New Jersey who are women who are 45 to 65 women. They all speak English. They are artists. They're interested in art. Benny Hinn. We can take cryptocurrency out and see what it does. 920,000. John Hagee. See what I mean? I mean, you targeted it all the way down to the state. So this is a Facebook likes ad. You want to exclude people who like your page, and then you name the page. If you have more than one, you want to name the page that you don't want them to. You send the likes to people who haven't already liked your page. You want to edit the placement. Edit the placement to all devices. Nope. Mobile. You only want mobile. You do not want desktop. You do not want desktop because this is only a likes campaign and you want it to be the least expensive money that you spend. You want as many as you can possibly get. So down here at budget and schedule, put in $5 a day. That's a good place to start. Later on, but this is where you want to start. It's $5 a day for a likes campaign. Run until continuously starting today. That's not what I do. I always start and give it a finish day. So this is 30 days, and I know my timeline is going to be, I know that I'm going to spend $155 maximum to have people like my page, and I'm going to be marketing to 900,000 people with this particular demographic. Now, you probably want to be more broad than this for a likes campaign. For a likes campaign, you probably want to do the whole, I was just doing New Jersey just so you could see what the possibility is. You probably want to have United States. Canada. So see, you're already back up to 34,000 people. So then I'm not going to confirm. I can continue. But I'm not, so then you have to add an image, right? So you have to have some kind of an image. Choose an image that works well for you. We can find another image on your computer or one that's in the, have a picture of you so that people know they're doing business with you. Choose that. Then you want to enter your text. whatever your text is. That was my last post. Your text might be, we can help artists in Israel, or whatever else you want to put. Whatever you think fits. So you are not doing events, you're ignoring everything else. I am not going to confirm. You're going to, it says pre-qualified. You need to look at the pre-qualified measurements to post an ad picture. It needs to be probably the size of your banner, but you can figure that out. So I'm not going to confirm it because I am not going to post it because this isn't my ad. It's just engagement. So I'm doing engagement. It's likes, audience set. We can add, let's name this Joan or whatever his name is. Name it whatever you want. Okay, we're interested in marketing, not marketing, we're just getting likes. It's $5 a day. This tells where we're going to send it. This is the name set, your ad set, and you can confirm, which I'm not going to do because I'm not doing this. I'm not adding it. I hope that you found that helpful for your likes edge, and that's how you do it. Thanks. Bye-bye.